Good day to all employers. I am Jennifer Campos from Kapalong, Davao del Norte, Philippines. I am 27 years old and I am single but I have a live-in partner. I have a one daughter, ages 5. I am a college level with a course of Bachelor in Accountancy. My height is 163 centimeter and my weight is 68 kilogram. My hobbies is cooking, doing household chores, and making playtime to my daughter and her cousins. I have a pleasant experience in terms of home activities. I was a housemaid for almost 4 years here in the Philippines. I serving 3 people in the house, including one kids, ages 5 boy. My duties is clean the house, doing laundry, take care of the children, take care of the pets, cooking, and many more. I want to go in Hong Kong because I want to earn money to my family and to the better future of my daughter. Before this introduction ends, I want to share with you a short song, Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Thank you. I hope you like my song. To my future employer, accepting me is the most appreciated decision you made. I will do my best to do my job and secure all the things that I promise. Working in your home is my pleasure, and I will make sure to fulfill all my duties and responsibilities. Thank you. God bless.